Good day, everybody. So what I'm going to show you is what's the difference between level and flat. Okay? Okay, today's date happens to be the 6th of January. On the lunar calendar, it's the 1st. So as we come down, these are going to do something, and they're going to end up together, and they'll end up here, okay? If this is the first time you're seeing my videos, I suggest, don't forget, try to put this in schools, you guys, and you got to work with me. You know what? The only ones that are actually catching on is the kids. Most of the parents are showing their kids my videos. See, I want to put this in schools, eh? Okay, now look at this. This is an eraser. What is it? It's flat, right? It's flat surface. This is soapstone. Flat. But it has volume, but it has a flat surface. There's a bigger version of it. It's a block, but it has a flat surface. Okay? Now the saw, it's flat, right? Now if I bend it, what happens? Nothing. It's still flat. That's what flat looks like. Okay? Now this ruler, your cell phone is flat. Pancake is flat. This ruler, it's flat. Okay? That's what it is. Okay? Now, when you start talking level, the point of level is because of your horizon. That's what level is. Your horizon. It's a measurement of your horizon. You are at a zero point horizon. Okay? That's how that works. So your horizon is level. That's why your seas are level. Now, if you look at this, all your seas are level. And the only way to get that, it has to be contained on an outer wall. This is how you're getting sea level. Okay? Now, on a level standpoint, there is going to be variations of incline and decline on this. It will be called your elevation. Okay? Elevation is your third dimension. There's the light. 2D is your universe. That's your level. Then you get your elevation. Then space is what you're in. Your local area. And time is the time. It's going like this. That's time. You got to acknowledge that you're in a 5-dimensional world to move on. Okay, now when you're talking about flat Earth, you limit yourself. You cut yourself off here. You got flat Earth and outer space. That's just as bad as a ball in outer space. You got to let those boundaries continue on. You're on a limitless flat plane, level plane, so it can hold water. Okay, it's a massive level plane. This is a crosscut of this. You're on a massive level plane, and calling it flat Earth only gives you this existence area, but it goes on and on. What you're standing on is the universe, and it's level. Okay, that's how you're getting sea level. Once you fill a container full, it becomes sea level, and to get it, you have to contain it. It has, where is the containment unit on a ball? See this is level. This represents your horizon. Okay. Then the other two objects I need is a square and a compass to get the rest of these measurements. I need right angles to understand it, and a compass to make the circles. And I create this. And that's how I'm getting this. If you turn a ball from the center and put it out and flatten it, I would say you get two things, or horizon and sea level. But you're also going to get another thing. It's called a firmament. And if you level out a planet, you're going to get this. There's your Milky Way and all the stars. Okay? That's how it works. There's no such thing as planets, you guys. It just isn't. Okay, I'm trying to... You're a tough crowd. The cranium is kind of thick, but that's what it is. See, this has to go back to school. You got to acknowledge this. You have to acknowledge it. There's no answers or buts, okay? So, yeah. So, once it's level. So, now if I just did this, is it level? No, it's not. It's off. It's a few degrees off, but it's not level. But as soon as it hits level, then level it is. That's how it works, you guys. It's just how it works. Okay, that's the difference between level and and flat. Okay, have yourself a good one.